Morning, happy Friday. It's Melissa with Melissa Peterson Designs. I'm just going to work on a fall project, another fall sign. A couple weeks ago I found this at Hobby Lobby in their unfinished wood section. I'm going to personalize it. Let me see if I can read it. It was $17.99 regular price, and I got it when it was on sale for 40% off. So you'll have to do the math on that one. And then I also grabbed a couple of these, and I'm going to personalize it. I'm going to first take off the string because I'm not planning on using that. Let me see if I can just cut it. So let me know what you're up to, what's going on. Yeah, I'm alive. I'm like, wait a minute, did I push the right button? I don't have my contacts in today because the contacts have been bugging my eyes. About everything's been bugging my eyes. My makeup, my glasses were dirty, so I just took them off. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this. And really, I'm using Dixie Belle's Kernel Mustard, which is one of my favorite paints. Good morning. I can't see who's on. Is that Kristen? I think I recognize your little face there. Hi. I'm going to use Dixie Belle's Kernel Mustard. When I go through and I'm shopping through Hobby Lobby and I was actually looking for a project like this, I think at first I grabbed the Thankful sign and then I took it back to the wood section and was looking for, you know, what would work. So, and that's how I did that. So, good morning. So, and then yesterday, well, I didn't have this with me, but yesterday I was looking for some stuff to embellish it with. And I first came across these. These are stickers in the fall section that I might add. These were $2.99, but then 40% off. And then in the napkin section, I came across this flower. So I'm going to probably repurpose that and maybe add that to my sign. So I'm going to go ahead and get started painting. I'm going to use Kernel Mustard. But if you go through Hobby Lobby and you find something you like that you want to embellish, take it back to the paint section. If you want to use their craft paint, that would probably work just fine. So I didn't want it to match, but I just kind of wanted to compliment is what I did. So, because they have all kinds of paints, and otherwise you can use Dixie Belle. And I get mine through Salvage Soul and Furniture Boutique here in Iowa. So, isn't that a pretty color? So I'm just going to paint the top part carefully without glasses and contacts on. This will be interesting. And I'm just going to do the top side. So let me know what you're up to. If you guys are decorating for fall yet, probably not. I've gotten a head start on this. Fall is one of my favorite seasons. And last weekend when Daniela was here, she got in the mood for some coffee, and she pulled out my apple pie spice and put that in her coffee or creamer. Oh, that tasted so good. So I've been using that all week. So I don't know if you've ever tried that before, but that was really good. We got a frother. It's not the one you stick in the mug. It's a thing that sits on a base. So I put the apple pie spice in with the creamer and then frothed it with just a little bit of maple syrup. You want to talk about getting in the mood for fall. So, and I also have my heat gun warming up, and I'm going to use some E6000. Good morning. I can't see who's here. I'm sorry. If you got any questions, let me know. I'll come back and answer them when I get done. I'm working on a fall project. Since fall is one of my favorite seasons, I couldn't wait to get a head start. And I don't know if you saw, but I got my pumpkins done. I'm still working on the blog post. I'm trying to upload the video to YouTube, and it's taken forever. This is one of the pumpkins I did. So I don't know if you like that, but it's got the patina grungy look. I like that a lot. So that was last week's project. It took several steps, but it's so much fun to do. So I'm just painting Kernel Mustard on my Thankful sign to kind of personalize it. There. I'm kind of not used to the camera angle. And Merrill loves these colors. He likes the traditional fall colors, so I also like the neutral fall colors, but pretty much everything I've got is pretty much kind of like this, which I really enjoy. I like the leaves when they turn. It's just like the season's not long enough. Good morning. If you got any questions, just let me know. I'll come back and answer them when we get done here. When I can actually see what's being written. Sorry. So pretty much everything I got here was from Hobby Lobby except for the Dixie Belle paint. I love Dixie Belle. I've tried other paints and they're very good paints, but I just keep going back to Dixie Belle because that's just what I'm used to and I like their colors. So, but you know, you can get craft paints at the store at Hobby Lobby or Walmart and use that. If you got other kind of chalk paint, you know, feel free to use that. While I was getting ready, I immediately went for the Colonel Mustard, but you know, the deep reds would look pretty too on this thankful sign. So I'm just painting the top part. I'm not painting in between the letters, so I want the letters to stay black. Kind of give some definition. So I'm just trying to be as careful as I can. So we're getting there. And I'm just using a regular brush. It's kind of rounded. It's not rounded all the way, it's just rounded on one side. I just wanted a small brush that wasn't flimsy. And more than likely I got this one at Hobby Lobby too, in their section, their artist section. They come in packs, is usually what I normally get. For crafts like this. I think that's it. That part's done. Let me get this put away before I make a mess. Okay. And then I have a sign. It's already got the hangers on them. So you can do that way, or you can do that way if you got a different project. I'm going to make sure and use this side up. I've got some E6000 and I've got some hot glue. This is the napkin ring I got, and I'm going to pull off the backing. Let me think. Oh, I had some leaves fall off of one of my garlands, so I'm going to try and incorporate that. And you can tilt the wording. You can go straight on. I do like a little quirky, so I'll probably tilt it a little bit. I like mine hanging over the edge. Let me see what these will look like. These are little stickers I found in the fall section of Hobby Lobby. So, good morning, guys. I might save them for another project. That, and I also have other flowers that kind of fell off. I think these were from Dollar Tree. Let me see how these will look. I'm not gonna come clear at the base. Yeah, I used my scissors, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, I'm gonna like that. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside for now. I'm gonna do my flowers first. E6000 on there for a little extra strength. And this I got from Amazon, but Hobby Lobby also carries it, and it's clear. E6000 clear. I like using both because the hot glue will cure quicker. If you get any strings, just wait till they dry before you start pulling them off. They'll be easier on you. Now I'll kind of mask some of the glue over there. Put one over here. I should have had a tongue depressor because I tend to get burnt because I'm not thinking and I push down right on the glue. So, there's that. Okay, flip this over. I'm going to do the E6000 first, and I'll put it on the thicker areas. I'm just smearing a little bit on. And then I'm going to do some hot glue, and then I'll have to put it on kind of quick because the hot glue will dry quickly. And don't worry about the strings until later. I went over a little bit. Okay. There's my new thankful sign. When we get done here, I'm probably gonna put some stuff on there to weigh it down while it cures. But there we go, simple and quick. And a little extra color. So that's it for today. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you next week. And if you have any questions, I'll come back and answer them. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.